All right, good morning. So today we're going to be working on finding the perimeter of shapes, and in doing so, we're going to be practicing our addition skills. And the first question is actually number 5 on the puzzle. You're going to see this shape right here. So when we find the perimeter, what we want to find out is if we cut each one of these sides and put them down in one long line, how long would that line be? Another way to think about it is if I start at one point, when I walk or go all the way around the perimeter, I have to get back to the beginning. So the first distance I would walk would be 9/10 of a mile, then 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 1 8/10 of a mile, and 1 8/10 of a mile to get back to the beginning. So you'll see here that I've written all of those out already. Now I want to count the number of sides in my shape. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So to find the perimeter, I should have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're all recorded there. So now what we have to do is add them up. So the first thing I want to do is add all of the numbers in the tenths place. So I would get 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that's 4 9s. That's 36. Plus 8, which is 44. Plus another 8, which is 52. Write down the 2. I would carry the 5. So then I would have 5 that I've carried. Plus 1 is 6. Plus another 1 is 7. And let's not forget to put our decimal in there. Oh, the answer would be 7 2/10 and m. That could be meters, probably, or miles. So you'll want to find that on your sheet, and it has already been crossed out right here in the puzzle. So then we'll do the next one. So the next one is lower on the page. It's number 10. So if I had a rectangle that was 48 millimeters wide and 32 millimeters, so it's 48 millimeters in length and it's 32 millimeters in width. But there's 4 sides here. So if I just added those two numbers together, I wouldn't have enough numbers. But you'll notice if this one's 48, this one's also 48. So 48 plus 48 plus 32 plus 32 will get you the perimeter. It's like 48 and 48, 32 and 32. So if I add those up, I get 160. And you'll see that that has also already been marked off on your puzzle. So the last one we want to do is, I think, the last question on the page. So it's got only words. There's no picture. So you're going to see that the question is, how many feet of, that should say a border are needed to go around a square bulletin board that is 4.5 feet on each side. So there's only one number here. That's because we have this very important information that this is a square. So you probably know that squares have the same side length on all sides. So in order to find the border, we're going to take 4.5 or 4 5/10 plus 4 5/10 plus 4 5/10 plus 4 5/10, which could also be 4 5/10 times 4, which is equal to 18. And that would be 18 feet. You would find that on your puzzle, and you would mark that off as well, which it has already been done for you right here. All right, you'll continue doing the rest of those until you have done them all, and your answer will be what is left in the squares. All right, good luck in doing that today.